we're home and I have too many things. Okay, hello friends. So, obviously I have way too many things. Okay, I turned up the ISO way too much. Now you can't see anything. Down, baby. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. So, first thing I got is this Sway. Yep, that's how we're going to say the brand. Revive Gold Peel Off Mask. And Sway. It says restorative benefits of gold fused with mandarin essential oils to nourish and remove dead skin cells in the luxurious peel off mask. So got this. We're going to do that first to rip off the skin. And then I got this Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bomb Sheet Mask. We're going to do this after I get out of the shower. And then I'm going to sleep with this stuff on. It's literally in like a different language. Oh my gosh, this is the same brand as this one. Sway! This one's in English. And oh, I guess it has 2 languages on here too. Alright, they really don't look like they'd be about the same one at all. This one's like chic as heck. This one looks like it's just, I don't know, an amateur brand. So, we're going to try them out. And I got a new foundation. Why is nothing focusing? I feel like the ISO is still weird, but whatever. I'll figure it out later. And I got this foundation because I really don't like the one I have right now. It doesn't match my skin. And it's just not good coverage and it stays on for like 4 seconds. So, we're going to try this one out. Hey, he's remodeling. I'm just going to put this gold mask on now. It is literally like gold. It smells really good. If I just wear this to class tomorrow instead. Opinions, thoughts? And this wasn't expensive either. I think it was like $6 something. So it's not bad for a whole tube. I feel like some just like one package face masks are like ridiculously priced. I'm definitely for the whole tube thing. Alright, we are golden goddesses. This is not like a pretty one really. Like it's pretty because it's gold. But you can't really make it look like super even and pretty. So we're gonna let it sit for 25 minutes. And I will show you guys the results when I take it off. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes. And as you can tell, I cannot move my face at all. It's completely dry everywhere. I'm the type of person that literally leaves these on until like forever, like longer than they even should be on. And so the fact that I'm taking this one off a little bit early, it said 20 to 25 minutes, but usually I would do like 30. This is completely dry and done, so I'm gonna start peeling it. It does peel really well, which I'm happy about, because I feel like for the purpose of this mask it needs to, but I feel like some just don't peel well. Ugh, it's pulling at my skin on this side. I don't know if it like totally got rid of my dry skin. Maybe a little bit. 1 to 3 times a week. So maybe if I used it more, I guess I'll try to use it this week more, and I will let you guys know. Okay, so now you can definitely see the dry patches around my face. So I am just going to put on this skin mask for 15 minutes. And then I'm not going to show you guys after because I'm going to like take out my contacts and stuff and just lay in bed. I'm just going to rip this off, and then I'm just going to put like big gobs of this like all over my face and just try to sleep in it. I'll probably need to wash my sheets and pillowcase and stuff, which I need to anyway, so it's not a big deal. But that is what my plan is. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on right now. Good morning, guys. I'm in a rush, so I'm sorry if I sound that way, because I am. Today is the first day back to classes, and I think I might have probably told you guys before. I only have classes on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Tuesday and Thursday I have 4 classes, and they start at 8 a.m. What did I tell you guys in my college advice video? Never take 8 a.m.s or 9 a.m.s, and here I am. So, already running late, which is fantastic. I really like to get to classes early, especially on the first day, when you don't totally know where you're going. I actually don't know where this room is. I know the building, but I didn't check the room number. So, we'll see. Hopefully it's easy to find. It's freezing cold. I don't want to be awake right now, and I'm starving. So, that's how my morning's going so far. The nice thing is I get out at like 1:45. Last semester, my classes started at about like 12, and I was there till like 5 o'clock, which was super annoying. So at least now I'll be done when my day would usually start. But honestly, I might rather have it the other way because I'm just not a morning person. Like, not like I'm grumpy in the morning, it's just like I just need my sleep. Like, I'm just tired, man. Hey guys, so I just got a ton of packages that I picked up from my P.O. box, so I'm so excited to show you guys them. I may or may not have opened them already because I was a little too excited, so I apologize. But, so first I got two things from Romway. First thing is this sweater. It's just like this thick gray sweater. It has a little bit of like a turtlenecky looking thing. It's really good quality. The next thing I got is this like dark jean. It's almost like a black jacket, and it has fleece, like fur lining on the inside. It's like a wool kind of, I guess. And this is like a one size thing, so it looks a little big, but it'll just be like an oversized kind of like cute outfit. Next, I've been really excited for this. This is by Alia Skin. I hope I'm saying that right. It's the Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask. I am really excited to use this. As you guys would have seen in the vlog yesterday, my skin is a disaster right now, so I am literally gonna like put this on like ASAP. And this is really cool. They have a little competition going on. It says repost a photo of you and your face mask, tag Alia Skin AUS, and use the hashtag Alia Skin Babe. One winner will be chosen each month and will receive a year's worth of Alia Skin for free. That's crazy. So you guys should definitely check them out. I'm going to let you know how much I love it. Next, guys, I'm freaking out. So these are by Arison Lashes. They sent me a bunch of different kinds of lashes. I'm pumped to try these out. I'm going to do like a try on video with these so I can show you guys what they look like on. I'm so pumped. They're all so dramatic and like, oh my god, I'm screaming. And like this packaging, help, it's so cute. And they're like sturdy, like good quality boxes too. Dang, I'm probably gonna keep them for like travel. That's a good idea. And then the last thing for right now, I am getting another package today at some point. So I'm going to go see if that's in the mailbox actually. But for now, this is by Vula. Look how cute this packaging is. They wrote me a little note too. Oh my gosh. And I'm so excited to be sending you the serum foundation. For the last 7 years, I've been working on this brand with over 2 years spent creating the serum foundation. Our formula has a unique serum-like texture and includes only high-quality ingredients, treated pigments, and our bioactive complex of clinically and dermatologist-tested ingredients. With continued use, you will notice how the bioactive complex actually helps improve your skin tone and texture. Because our formula contains primer-type ingredients, you may want to try it both with and without a primer. The feedback we've been receiving has been amazing, and we are so excited for you to try it. Check out our shade match chart website to decide which shade to try first. Make sure you try a full application, as a swatch will not be able to do the formula or shade justice. Please feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns. XOXO Vula. This is so cool. I'm so excited to try this. They sent me 4 different shades, so I'll have to try to figure out which one is right by using the chart, she said. I'm so excited. I've been looking for a good foundation. I just bought that cheap one yesterday. Can we guess what else I got in the mail today? This wig is from She Love Wig. And obviously I don't wear wigs on a daily basis, but I thought this would be really cool to try out. It's super, super long. Like, super long. I just pulled it to the side in a braid. To be completely honest, I mean, I feel like most wigs are like this, but it does look a little strange on my head, at least, without like a hat on. So that's why I have this on. But I mean, it's cute. I think it's a little too light for like my skin tone, but I like it a lot. I think it's something new. It would be cool to do like different looks with. So let me know what you guys think. Also, I tried on these lashes. I don't know if you can tell how like bomb they are in this, but let's just like, there's a hair in it. I am like in love with these. Like, I don't think I've ever liked lashes this much. Seriously, and I'm not just saying that. Like, I'm seriously in love with them. The brand probably won't even watch this video. I'm just literally obsessed. So somehow I gotta talk them into giving me a life supply. I mean, if you have any tips on that, but also I'm probably gonna get questions about this lip. This is NYX Liquid Suede in the color Brooklyn Thorn. Patience wants to say hi to the vlog.
Oh, what'd you do? What'd you do? You flipped your house. You flipped your house.
Hey guys, we had a snow day. I don't have classes on Wednesdays anyway. Today's Wednesday. Chris and Evan slept over last night, and then we all like made breakfast this morning and like watched TV and just hung out. So it was really nice. Then I just had to go to work. Literally had 2 tables. So cool. That was a lot of fun. Waste of time. But now I just got home and it is almost 10 o'clock. And so I am just going to shower quick and then sit down and finish up my homework. I don't have much to do. I only had one day of classes so far. So there's just reading I have to do for one of my classes, I believe. Hey guys! I don't know why this keeps getting so washed out. So right now it is Friday. I only have one class today. Starts at 11:15. Right now it is 10:21, so I am way on time, which never happens. So little clap for me. Right now I think I'm just gonna go downstairs and make some eggs quick, and then I'm gonna leave. Sam has had a class in this building before, and she said it's a little bit confusing, so I want to get there a little early to make sure, you know, can find my way around easily. Later tonight, I'm going to one of Evan's frat's events. It's not really like a party, just like an event they have. So yeah, that's kind of the plan for today. Maybe go through my clothes. Guys, in the other vlog when I got home from New York, that I kind of want to go through my closet and see like what I want, what I don't want. Because I just have so much here that I don't touch. Like, I repeatedly wear the exact same things, and it's just not worth holding on to all of it when I could either, like, sell it or donate it. Right now, I'm just going to go and make some breakfast. So, I'll take you guys with me, I guess, if you want. Well, Mama will be right back. I said I wanted to be there for, like, 10:30, but, like, I feel like I don't really need that much time. Dang, it's so, like, washed out. I'm just going to make some scrambled eggs quick. Paranormal activity up in here. Hello! It's a little bit less washed out, so we're just gonna go for it, okay? So, let me back out first. I'm not good at multitasking. Oh, no, this person's like, what is this girl doing? She don't know what she's doing. Well, I know what I'm doing. Okay. I am blind, so we need to put sunglasses on. Alright, so... wow, I just choked. Okay. We're fine. I'm okay. Everything's totally fine. I just got out for the weekend.
And right now I am going to go to my P.O. box. I'm supposed to be getting some sunglasses, which I'm really excited about. A brand is sending me them. I'm really excited about them. They looked really cool. They're like really unique, I feel like. Then I'm gonna go to Dunkin' and get a coffee. I'm still like very much so asleep, but I don't want to take a nap. I want to try to stay up and get as much done as I can. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it will wake me up. I'm also hoping that these sunglasses are actually in my box because I checked yesterday. I really don't know why this isn't focusing on me. I checked yesterday and they said they got delivered on Wednesday. Yesterday was Thursday and they weren't in there, which like I know it kind of like takes them some time to like sort things and whatever, but I want them and they're closed on the weekends, so I hope that they're there today. I'm really sorry this isn't focusing on me. This is probably so annoying. I really don't know what the issue is. Maybe if I zoom in a little bit it will. No, now it's just more focused on the steering wheel. Okay, I apologize, but I can't keep like playing around with that while I'm driving. Alright, I'm almost at my P.O. box, so I will show you guys if I get them. I'm annoyed. They didn't have them. Like, why? You gotta play me like that. Also, this woman, I was parked like 700 feet away from her. Oh yeah? No, I'm pretty sure that was my turn, but that's fine. I was parked like 700 feet away from this woman, and every time I opened my door, she like looked over like I was gonna hit her car. Like, simmer. I don't know why this isn't focusing, and it's like seriously making me so angry. Like, okay, cool, now you focus. Okay, well I'm going to Dunkin' and I'm being bougie and I'm driving to one way too far away because I know they have good coffees. So, and Sam already got one from there today and she said it was good, so I have to go there. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling on now because now there's like 10 minutes of me just talking about nothing. It's not a good one. I'm upset. Hello! Ooh, the highlight though! I'm the worst and forgot to vlog while we were out because, yeah, I'm just not feeling great. I'm just like really tired and I need a nap. So, we just went to like Five Below. We got smoothies from Emerald City. They're my favorite smoothies. If you're wondering what I get, Raspberry Dream all the way. Only thing I get, it's the best. It's so good. Then we just got some food to go from Texas Roadhouse. I just got like a Caesar salad. Their Caesar salad is like the best. I literally love it so much. Now we're on the way back home. Like I told you guys before, I'm going to like a little like thing for Evan's frat tonight. It's not like a big party or anything, but we're going there. So it's like 4:45 now. I'm really tired. Probably gonna take a little nap just because like I'm not gonna want to go out tonight if I'm still really tired. So I'm gonna try to wake myself up a little bit. I tried to avoid taking a nap, but don't think it's happening. I'll see you later.